Quick video to show you how you can transform an office chair from a ripped seat like that to this in about 15 minutes. So this is an office chair I've got. You can see the seat is worn out. Could chuck it away and get a new chair, but it seems a waste, and I think I could cover it. Done a sort of a reasonable job on the arms. Tucked it all in. You can see under here it's all there, it's not coming off, and same there, but I'm going to put a sort of more of a leather type finish. It's not leather, but something I picked up on Amazon. Put a link in the description probably. So this is what I've picked up. It's got bits you can connect up underneath, but I'm going to take the seat apart and stretch it over properly. So I'm basically just going to disconnect it all and try and fit it a bit better than it would be just stretched over and tied up, which probably work if you're going to do something pretty quick, but I'll try and see if I can get it stretched nice and tight. So it's just 4 Allen key bolts. Just going to take those off and let's see what happens. The other 4 screws holding the actual chair legs off as well. That way we'll get toe access to the seat. Again, there's another 4 Allen key bolts. So got the seat off. Let's have a bit of a wider angle picture. You can see it's all there now. It's quite a decent size. It's about 50 centimetres by about 50, it's about 20 by 20 inches. It's quite big, about say 7 to 10 centimetres tall. So I've got basically this is a sofa cushion cover, which will fit this, but you'd have to measure up your chair to see what you need. I've just got it a bit bigger. Seems to be the best thing to get, was a bit bigger, and then I'll pull it across and stretch it through. That's just the first bit. Didn't look too bad. I'll stretch it across a bit. Obviously underneath it's going to need a bit more work, but I think it should be alright once it's been pulled nice and tight. I'll see what it looks like. I've not even cut a slot through here. I've just pushed the screw through. I'm guessing this one's quite thin. You can see it's quite thin. You can see my finger through it, but I'm not bother cutting a hole. We just feathered it straight through. It seems to be holding it in. Chair's on. I'll do the rest. And yeah, carry on. So that's the back and arms screwed on. Front's not done yet, but I've pulled it in tight. I've not bothered tying these up because I think I'll just tie them up just to get them out of the way, but there's no point clipping them on. And this is what it looks like. So not too bad at the minute. This will be pulled a bit tighter at the front, and then I guess all the creases will just come out of it over a week or so probably. But I'll be using it, it'll just all smooth out. I'm going to put the legs back on now and see about stretching the front. Done is I've decided to just tie these together, and even just by doing that it's already smoothed out the front quite a lot, as you can see. It's all pretty smooth, so I'll just tuck the rest of that under when I screw up the seat, the legs rather I should say, and I think that should look alright. So what you can see there is I've screwed it over the top, pulled it a bit more, scabbed it a bit, but it's going to be fine. Here obviously I've got more room, so I'm going to bring this under here, put it up a bit more and get it all nice and tight, tucked in under there. Pulled. It's done like that. So screwed all those in. It looks reasonable, okay. It's a 15-minute job, 15-20 minutes I think, as quick as you can unscrew your chair. Let's have a look at the moment of truth. Yeah, don't look too bad. It doesn't look too bad. Yeah. creases there, a bit of gathering, but in terms of what it looks like, this is what it did. Also, it's not dropping bits, looks a bit tidier. Yeah, pretty happy with that. See how long it lasts. Hopefully it will last a while.